Hi, I'm Laurence Russell from Satellite Evolution Group. I'm here at Satellite 2023 with Craig Somach from ViaLite. Craig, how's the show so far?
Oh, the show's going very well, thank you.
Terrific. We want to ask, what is ViaLite doing to address the current activity in the SatCom ground station market?
So one of the areas that we're focusing on heavily is to support the need to transport high throughput satellite traffic, which requires a lot of signal bandwidth to be passed over the RF over fiber link. This is all keyed off spurious-free dynamic range, where ViaLite is the market leader.
Fantastic. So what key elements does ViaLite offer for SatCom ground stations that make them industry leading?
Well, one of the things I just mentioned was that our spurious-free dynamic range is market leading. We measure it, we don't calculate it. Another area that we excel in is our high reliability. We offer a 5-year warranty, which is a market-leading indicator. One of the ways we do that is our standard products. Our transmitter draws 1.9 watts, and our receiver draws 1.3 watts, and that is pretty much at least half of what the nearest competitor offers.
Interesting. Good stuff. What are the main challenges for SatCom ground stations currently, and how is ViaLite addressing them?
One of the areas that we help the customers with their challenges is to optimize their system. We've got an innovative system designer tool that we use, which mirrors almost identically what the actual deployment characteristics are out in the field in our lab. We also have a very extensive lab in our facility that can emulate 300 kilometers or so, where we can do long distance links in-house, and then when we deploy them out in the field, the performance is almost identical.
Very impressive. So what's the forecast for the future of SatCom and the technologies that will have the biggest impact on ground station?
One of the things that's happening is the DIFI committee, where they're trying to implement RF over IP. We're helping to learn what the characteristics are going to be in the future, and also help to shape some of the performance requirements. The ground stations are becoming more needy for higher frequencies, and as I mentioned, higher signal traffic bandwidth to be passed through their systems.
Great stuff. What's ViaLite doing to support the push for satellite ground segment going forward? Have you been working on any exciting new developments and impactful technologies?
As I mentioned earlier, higher frequencies are becoming more important, as well as longer distances. Right now, we can support systems out way past 500 kilometers.
Fantastic. Craig, thanks very much for your time.
Thank you very much.